Thanks to the fascinating research of Thomas Pauling, we now know that being rich, being wealthy, has everything to do with daily habits and very little to do with luck. Pauling conducted his research while working on his book Rich Habits, the Daily Success Habits of Wealthy Individuals, which I'm sure you'll be able to track down on Amazon.com. Pauling spent 5 years monitoring and analyzing the daily activities and habits of both wealthy people and poor people. But what he defined as wealthy people were people with a net worth of over $3.2 million, and what he defined as poor people was people that had a net worth of $5,000 or less. Before we get into what I see as the 7 most critical habits that wealthy people have, let's first look at the importance that the people in the poll placed on the importance of having habits in their daily life. The question in the poll was, are daily habits critical to financial success in life? Of the rich people polled, 52% agreed that daily habits are critical to financial success. Of the poor people who were polled, 3% agreed that daily habits were critical to financial success. Wealthy people do believe that a certain amount of luck plays a part in making their breakthrough as far as being wealthy is concerned. But what they believe is that habits create, or for want of a better word, good habits create the opportunity luck, meaning that they are in the right place at the right time to be able to make the use of the opportunity when it crosses their path. In the same way that bad habits create detrimental luck, in other words, not putting them in fate's path in order to be able to make use of opportunities. So, without further ado, let's look at what these critical daily habits are that allow you to be able to get as much opportunity luck and therefore to be able to utilize, or whether you utilize them or not, but to be able to place as many opportunities for wealth in your path as absolutely possible. The first of the 7 critical habits that wealthy people practice daily is that the wealthy love meeting new people. In the poll, the question was, I love meeting new people. Wealthy responded, the wealthy who agreed were 68% of those polled. The poor people who agreed, 11% of those polled. This goes hand in hand with the second critical daily habit, and that is that the wealthy value relationships for professional and personal growth. So in other words, meeting new people gives you the opportunity to be able to develop relationships with these new people that you meet on both a professional and personal level, allowing you to be able to grow both personally and professionally. And on the question of whether relationships were critical to financial success, the rich people who agreed were 88% and the poor people who agreed 17%. What's more, as far as the developing of your professional and personal relationships for growth in both spheres, remember that the larger your network, the larger the number of other professionals there are that can cross your path on a day-to-day basis, that will be able to allow you to network in a better way to be able to achieve your goals. The third critical daily habit that the rich people follow is that they feel that they determine their own path in life. The question in the poll was, I believe in fate. The rich people who agreed, only 10%. The poor people who agreed, 90%. In other words, what you have over here is that the poor people follow what's referred to as the lottery mentality, in that fate will smile kindly on them and a vast amount of money will fall into their lap, and all of their money problems will be a thing of the past. The rich people believe that hard work and daily habits creating opportunity luck is what is at the core. Most of the business people that were polled were people that were not always wealthy. They believed in the attitude that they could do anything, and because they believed they could do anything, they did. Daily success habit number 4. Rich people value creativity over intelligence. The question in the poll: creativity is critical to financial success. The wealthy who agreed with that statement, 75%. The poor who agreed with that statement, 11%. What we need to look at here is that creativity, be it financial or business creativity, is where your new and brilliant breakthroughs come through. And that's a lot different from being intellectually gifted. Remember the time when Steve Jobs first introduced the iPod? Apple was on its knees, almost bankrupt, and one creative idea turned the entire company around. Also, if you look at the statistics, a lot of wealthy people were C students, while a good number of poor people were A students. So there's more to wealth than just being smart. Daily success habit number 5. Rich people enjoy doing their jobs. This sounds like an absolute no-brainer for some of us, but it's true. The question of the poll: I like, or in brackets for those who've retired, I liked doing what I do for a living. The rich people who agree, 85%. The poor people who agree, 2%. Because the rich enjoy doing what they're doing. They don't feel that it's work, and which means that they can spend on average 50 hours per week more doing their job than poor people, simply because they view what they do as fun and not work. Daily habit number 6. The rich are willing to take risks. The question in the poll: I've taken a risk in search of wealth. Rich people who agree, 63%. Poor people who agree, 6%. A lot of the wealthy in the poll were people that started their own businesses. They became successful because they were master self-educators, and that they learnt through the school of experience. Now remember, experience is the thing that you get when you don't get what you want. So you only gain experience when things don't go your own way. And finally, daily success habit number 7. Rich people believe that their health influences their success. Question in the poll: good health is critical to financial success. 85% of rich people agreed, 13% of poor people agreed. As one of the individuals in the study mentioned, you can't make money from a hospital bed. The wealthy people believe being healthy means fewer sick days, which translates into more productivity and therefore creating more money. While we're on the final topic of good health, as far as the habits of good health, remember that the fuel you put into your body determines your energy output. So put junk in, you get junk out. Put good clean fuel into your body and you'll be able to up your productivity levels. Make sure that you're sufficiently hydrated even within an office situation to be able to allow your brain to function at its optimum. And at night, ensure that you get sufficient sleep. So look at it as the 3 pillars. Get enough clean calories, get enough sleep, get enough water. Please remember, like and share this video to all of your friends who you believe can benefit from this advice, and please click the subscribe button below to be able to be kept up to date with more interesting videos on a similar line. See you next time.